my god, this is probably the slimmest 4060 laptop I've seen in a while. Gaming laptops usually have like very good hardware and impressive specs, right? But problem with them is they're quite bulky and heavy, guys, easily weigh around like 2.4, 2.5 kgs, and that is one of the main reason lot of people do not prefer them. But for you people, I have something very interesting in the house today, guys. Brand new laptop from MSI. This is their all new Prestige 16 inches AI Studio laptop, and as I've told you, it packs like very impressive specs and hardware in a super slim and compact form factor. First of all, main highlight, guys, Prestige 16 AI laptop packs like a 16 inches 4K UHD plus OLED display, and as I've told you, hardware is also like quite powerful. You're getting Intel's newest Core Ultra series CPUs available in different models. Today in the house we have the Core Ultra 9 edition CPU paired with an Nvidia RTX 4060 with up to 8 gigs of VRAM. It's also available in like 4050 edition, 4070 edition. Totally depends on your requirement and the variant you go for. And despite packing like such a powerful hardware, right, the whole laptop is only around like 1.6 kgs and also like super slim form factor, just like any other normal notebook, guys. I mean, that is magic. I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. Let's quickly get started and see how this laptop performs. So our brand new MSI Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop came in this sort of box packaging. Funky packaging, I would say, and looks pretty nice. You just have the MSI branding, and going to the back profile, here you can check out all the details and specs and configuration of the variant we will be unboxing today. As I've told you, this laptop comes with a 16 inches UHD plus OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. Pair that with Intel's Core Ultra 9 processor, and not to miss out RTX 4060 with up to 8 gigs of GDDR6 memory. And our variant comes with like 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and also 1 TB PCI Gen 4 SSD. So those were the main specs and highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, there you go, boys. Our brand new laptop from MSI came packed like this. Let me just quickly take it out. The laptop is available in this single color, which is called a Stellar Grey, and looks absolutely beautiful from our initial look. We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Along with that, you also get like a power adapter. It's a very compact square form factor Type-C 140 watt PD power adapter, and yes, you're also getting a mains cord for the adapter. Not to miss out, some paperwork as well included in the package. So that was our quick unboxing of the laptop. Now let me give you like a closer look at the laptop, and first of all talk about the design and build quality. So there you go. Here's how MSI's all new Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop looks like, and initial impressions, I have to say, laptop looks very clean and has a modern looking design. I mean, obviously it is made for like content creators and professional sort of usage, right? So don't expect any funky RGB lighting anywhere. If you have a closer look, top lid has a very clean and simplistic sort of design, matte finishing in Stellar Grey color, and you only have like a chrome finished MSI logo at the center. If you ask about the build quality of the laptop does seem good. Entire body is actually made of like full metal, guys, magnesium aluminum alloy to be precise, and not to miss out, the body is also like military standard 810H certified. So definitely durable is what I can say. And yes, it does attract a little bit of fingerprints over here, guys, on the body, so you might have to keep cleaning it once in a while. Anyways, what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports you're getting on this model. Starting off from the left side, here you can observe a large cutout, basically your exhaust vent, and beside that you're getting a Kensington lock. There's nothing on the front profile, and going to the other side, here you have some more ports, which include a Ethernet LAN port is there, SD card reader option is also available, 3.5mm audio jack is there, and two status indicators, which include your power status indicator and battery charging indicator. Going to the back profile, here you have the remaining connectivity ports, which include a full-sized HDMI port, a USB 3.2 Type A port is also there, and you're getting two USB 3.2 Type-C ports, and one of them even supports Thunderbolt 4.0 and PD fast charging. Now, to be honest, I felt the connectivity ports were slightly limited over here. I really wish it had one more USB Type A port, guys, because if you're using like a wireless mouse or something like that, right, there is no extra USB Type A port available, so you'll have to use a hub or something like that. Anyways, here's how the bottom profile of the laptop looks like, and first thing you'll notice is there's a large cutout, guys, basically your air intake to keep the laptop running cool. We'll talk about the thermal and cooling performance during the benchmark session. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the RAM and storage configuration, right? So on board you're getting like 32 GB LPDDR5 RAM, which is the max capacity this laptop can accommodate, guys. And talking about the storage, you're only getting like one M.2 PCI Gen 4 slot, and that is already occupied with like a 1 TB SSD. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors part. Let me quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors look as well. And ta-ta! Here's how the laptop looks like. Pretty neat, right? I mean, look at that massive 16 inches OLED display. You're getting a 16 inches UHD plus 4K resolution, and also supports a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. And bezels also do look quite thin on the sides and the top, but on the bottom you have a little bit of chain. Going to the top, here you are actually getting like a 1080p full HD IR camera, guys, and yes, it does support Windows Hello face detection, plus also has like 3D noise reduction technology as well. So that's it about the upper half section. Let me go to the lower half section and talk about the keyboard and touchpad experience. The Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop features a full-sized white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is pretty decent, I would say. I had a comfortable experience. I've been using this laptop for almost 7-8 days, and I had like a really good typing experience, guys. Key quality, key caps are also pretty nice, and had like a tactile and clicky feedback. And one more thing not to miss out is the keyboard has like an integrated fingerprint scanner in the power button. So yes, that option is also included. And let me tell you, touchpad quality is also pretty nice. It easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, faced no sorts of dead zones anywhere, and had like a good experience. Even the integrated left and right click buttons were good, offered a tactile feedback. Alright, now let's move on to the main highlight of the laptop, which is the display. Our particular variant packs a 16 inches 16:10 aspect ratio UHD plus 4K OLED display on board. But one thing I do have to mention, not all the variants of the laptop actually feature a 4K display, guys. The basic and entry level variants may feature like a full HD or quad HD depending on the variant. So make sure you actually check that before buying. So let me tell you about the display quality. As I've told you, you're getting like a UHD plus OLED display that even supports like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. And I'm telling you, display quality is like quite impressive on this model. I mean, obviously it's an OLED display. There's nothing less you can expect over here. Great amount of detail. 4K resolution at 16 inches offers like excellent amount of detail, guys. No matter what sort of content you're watching, either it be movies, web series, everything look like really good on this panel. And if you talk about the colors, right, colors are also like really good. I mean, it's an OLED display, so obviously colors will be like quite vibrant and punchy, guys. Though I have to mention, it may not be like a factory color calibrated display, but out of the box experience was pretty good, guys. It offered like a really good color accuracy and color reproduction, and is great for your content creation sort of use, especially if you do like Photoshop or video editing, right? You'll be like pretty happy and satisfied with the results you're getting on this panel. And talking about the contrast, OLED display obviously will have like near to infinite contrast ratio, and true blacks is what you can get on this panel. Viewing angles are also really nice. Picture look the same no matter from which angle you're viewing, and brightness of the display was also like quite satisfactory, guys. I believe you have around like 380 to 400 nits of brightness, and it'll easily satisfy your day-to-day sort of needs. Only thing if I had to mention is the display is not anti-glare coated, guys, and because of that it attracts a little bit of glares and reflections, especially if you're having a lot of light sources in the room. But apart from that, very nice and satisfactory display quality you're getting on this model. Keeping that aside, let me also talk about the sound experience. So MSI's Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop features stereo speakers, each of 2 watts. So totally you can expect around 4 watts of audio output, that too powered by DTS-X audio. And audio quality was nice, impressive sound quality. Vocal clarity was nice, all the dialogues were like clearly audible. But sometimes I felt the audio was getting muffled, and the main reason for that is the speakers are actually placed on the bottom profile of the laptop, guys, and because of this, audio output is also slightly a bit limited. Anyways, now keeping the nitty-gritty stuff aside, let's get into the main performance and benchmarking part. I know you people have been waiting for this, but before that, let me quickly tell you the specs and hardware of our particular variant. As I've told you, our laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 9 185H CPU, which is basically like a 16-core 22-thread CPU with a max turbo clock of up to 5.1 GHz. So unlike the older gen CPUs where you used to get 2 clusters of CPUs, P cores and E cores, here you're actually getting one more set of low power E cores. So totally that gives you around like 6 P cores, 8 E cores, and 2 more extra LPE cores that automatically assign respective tasks and gets your job done much more efficiently. Plus, not to miss out that all new NPU neural processing unit called as Intel AI Boost, specifically designed to handle all your AI workloads and applications. I have been using this laptop for the past few days, and laptop was performing very well, guys. Swift, snappy, and quite responsive. I was running the laptop with variety of applications like having a bunch of edge tabs apps open in the background, browsing the web, running 1080p videos on YouTube, and simultaneously doing a bit of Photoshop, nothing seemed to slow it down. Muska performance is what I can say. What Photoshop? You can even do like 4K video editing also on this machine. So creators will definitely have a good time using it. And one main thing you people are forgetting is the Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop actually comes with a dedicated graphic card on board, that to a 4060 with up to 8GB VRAM. MSI, how did you guys manage to fit that in such a slim form factor? Magic, right? But I do have to mention, this is not a gaming laptop, guys, and is not made for like dedicated gaming, but that doesn't mean you cannot play games on it. Who's gonna stop you? We'll definitely do some benchmarking over here, so you'll get an idea on what sort of performance you can expect if you play AAA title games on this machine. Though keep in mind that on board the 4060 has a TGP of around 55 watts with a boost clock of up to 1755 MHz. But even with this configuration, this laptop can easily handle plenty of AAA title games at 1080p Full HD Plus resolution. So to show you that, we will be playing Spider-Man Remastered. As you can see, all the graphic settings are set to very high graphic preset, and the current resolution is set to Full HD Plus, guys, 1920 by 1440, which is a bit less than 4K because 4060 cannot handle 4K resolution gaming. And also Nvidia technologies like ray tracing and DLSS are turned off in this first clip. And as you can see, boys, my god, I was totally not expecting that. Look at the frame rates. That is pretty impressive, right? On an average, we were getting around 75 to 80 FPS on a creator laptop. Holy moly, buttery smooth gameplay, guys. Game feels so good over here, doesn't lag, no stutters, nothing. Though if you're playing very graphic intensive games, maybe like Cyberpunk or maybe Horizon Forbidden West, right, you cannot play these games at maximum graphics preset because of the limited TGP ratings. But yes, by mixing and matching the graphic settings, you can definitely get like a decent experience over here. And to show you people if it can actually handle ray tracing as well, let's quickly enable ray tracing and also Nvidia's DLSS as well and check out the results. Hey, not bad. It can actually play Spider-Man with ray tracing and DLSS, and on an average we were getting around like a consistent 60 plus FPS. I mean, look at that, 65 to 70 FPS on an average. Not bad, right? I mean, especially considering that it is a studio category creator laptop. Also, remember at the beginning I've told you that these new gen MSI laptops are actually AI enabled. Come on, the name itself is like AI Studio laptop. It literally has a AI chip on board and plenty of AI features which can be easily accessed via MSI Center app. Let me quickly give you like a walk around and show you all of that. On the home screen, the app gives you like a detailed hardware monitoring data, that too in real time. And by clicking over here, you can access all the other sections and features. In the user scenario mode, you have like 5 different system profiles to choose from, like balanced mode, silent mode, extreme performance mode, and a special AI mode as well, which when set, MSI's AI engine automatically sets the proper system profile depending on the current workload and scenario. You don't need to do anything. MSI's AI engine will automatically do everything for you. Apart from that, you're also getting some brand new features like AI Noise Cancellation Pro for both the built-in speakers and the microphone as well. That will minimize any sort of background noise and enhances the volume of vocals for better experience during meetings. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. MSI's Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop features a 99.9 watt-hour battery, which is almost like a 100 watt-hour battery, guys. Pretty big battery, I would say, considering for a slim category notebook. And battery life was like really good, guys, especially in this segment on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set around say 55%. And if you're using it for like day-to-day sort of activities, browsing the web, maybe checking out your mails, doing a bit of text editing, photo editing, and casually watching some 1080p videos on YouTube, right, I was easily getting around 14 to 15 hours of battery life. And on top of that, the laptop is also Intel Evo certified as well, guys. So really good experience, I would say. And not to miss out, you're also getting like a super fast 140 watt PD fast charging support as well. Well, that's it, our video on MSI's brand new Prestige 16 AI Studio laptop. It's a great laptop, especially for all the professionals and content creators who are looking for like no compromise performance in a compact and slim form factor. Added, you're also getting like a beautiful 16 inches UHD plus 16:10 aspect ratio OLED display and all those AI related features as well. Only thing if I had to nitpick is, wish the laptop had like one more M.2 slot for storage expansion and also 1 or 2 extra USB Type A ports would have been awesome. Rest everything else was great. The pricing for the base variant of this laptop starts around 99,000 rupees in the Indian market and goes up depending on the specs and configuration. I'll leave links to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video and got everything you needed, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.